First step, to balance the reaction, okay, first we have to divide the half equation into two. Okay, that means the hypochlorite ion will undergo reduction to produce chloride ion, whereas the thiosulfate ion will undergo oxidation to produce sulfate ion. Okay, now we already divide the half equation into two. Next, we have to balance the atom except oxygen and hydrogen. For reduction process, the chloride ion is already balanced. Whereas, for oxidation process, here if we look at the equation, on the left hand side, we can see two sulfur atoms. Whereas, in the right hand side, only one sulfur atom. That means to balance the sulfur atom, we have to add 2 in front of sulfate ion. Here we have 2SO4 2 minus. Alright, then we proceed with third step. Third step, we have to balance the oxygen atom by adding water molecule. Here, for reduction process, on the left hand side, we only can see one oxygen atom. But on the right hand side, no oxygen atom. That means on the right hand side, we have to add one water molecule to balance the oxygen atom. So here, we have to add one water molecule. For oxidation process, okay, oxygen atom here is 3, but this side we have 8 oxygen atom. That means we have to add 5 water molecule on the left hand side. Okay, now we proceed to balance the hydrogen atom by adding ion H+. For reduction, okay, there's no hydrogen atom on the left hand side. That means we have to add 2H+ here. So we will get ClO- plus 2H+ produce Cl- plus H2O. And here, we have to add the hydrogen atom on the right hand side. So the equation become S2O3 2 minus plus 5H2O produce 2SO4 2 minus plus 10H+. To balance the charge for reduction and oxidation process, we have to add electron. Okay. Now, if you look at for reduction, the total charge here, okay, on the left hand side and the right hand side, for reduction process, the total charge is -1 plus +2. +2 come from addition of 2H+ ion. Okay, that means the total charge here is +1. But in this side, okay, the total charge is -1. That means to balance the charge, we have to add electron at more positive side of the half equation. So to balance the charge for this case, we have to add 2 electrons on the left hand side. So the equation become ClO minus plus 2H plus 2 electron. Produce Cl minus plus H2O. For this one, okay, the total charge here is -2. And this side we have -2 plus 10 become +8. That means to balance the charge, we have to add 10 electron. For oxidation process, so this on the left hand side, the total charge is -2. But for the right hand side, we have -2 times 2 plus 10. That means the total charge here for this side is +6. So to balance the charge, we have to add electron on the right hand side. This side is more positive charge. Okay, so the equation become S2O3 2 minus plus 5H2O produce 2SO4 2 minus plus 10H plus 8 electron to balance the charge. Okay, to balance the charge, that means here is -2. That means we have to add 8 electron to become -2 also for right hand side. Okay, next what we do, we have to balance the equation for both half equation. Here we use 2 electron, but for oxidation use 8 electron. That means all this equation we have to multiply by 4. So the equation become 4 ClO minus plus 8H plus 8 electron produce 4 Cl minus plus 4 H2O. And this side is no change. Okay, now we have to add up the equation. We have to sum up the equation. And before that, we have to cancel off the electron that already used in the equation. I mean, we can cancel off the electron here and also this electron. Okay, for water molecule also we can cancel off. Okay, this on the right hand side we have 4 water molecule, but here on the left hand side we have 5. That means so we have we can get rid of 4 water molecule and only left 1 water molecule. Okay, now we sum up the 2 half equation become 4 ClO minus plus 8H plus S2O3 2 minus produce 4 Cl minus plus 2SO4 2 minus plus 10H plus. Now we also can cancel off the H plus. Here is 8. Cancel, and this is become 2. Alright, that's all how we balance the ion electron method in acidic medium.